Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. And for those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. I'm Aarti Limbani and welcome to my YouTube channel, Me in You. So guys, एक time आता है where we all feel so stuck, where we feel that we cannot move on, where we feel completely lost. I mean, it's a very bad situation that we all go through. And because there are few things that control our life that does not allow us to move on or to do the things that we really want to do. But guys, if you want to stay strong, if you want to do something, and if you want to live your life happily and in a very good way, you have to move on. And you should not allow your life to be controlled by the three things. So number one is your past. This is the major issue that almost everyone are facing nowadays. The past is controlling your life completely, which is not allowing you to move on or to do the things that you really want to do. There is no proper concentration at all. Guys, don't allow your past to affect the present and destroy the beautiful future which is waiting for you. Don't allow to do that, guys. Past is gone. Reliving the past will never do you any good. So don't think about your past, because the moment you think, it is just going to give you the pain, it is just going to make you weak, and it is just going to make you cry. That's it. Whatever the situation it was, like it was cruel, harsh, whatever the situation it was in your past, don't relive the past in present. Don't do that. If someone did you wrong, the only way to win is let go and move on. If you live in hate, they are going to win. If you live in the victim story, they are going to win. If you want to win, you have to let it go and move on. Start concentrating in the future that you really want to build. Release the pain of the past from today. Just release it. It's gonna do nothing good to you. Just release the pain. Don't allow your past to destroy this present. This present is so real, it is so powerful. This moment is so perfect. This moment is so perfect for you to live the life fully. So stop thinking about the past, which is going to give you only pain, and start thinking about something that you want to do. When I say move on, keep one thing in mind. Have that positive feeling that something really good is waiting for you, that something really good is going to happen to you. Have that patience and just focus on the things that you really want to do. Second thing that affects our life is the people's opinion and their judgment. OMG, why are we giving so much importance to them? To their opinions and to their judgments? You know what you are capable of, you know what you want to do, you know what you are passionate about, then just go on with it. Don't allow their judgments to affect your life. Don't allow that, guys. Whatever you do, just ask yourself once, am I doing this because I really want to do, or it is because of the fear of their judgment that they'll pass on me? Just think about it. Guys, you are born unique. You are born to stand out, to be appreciated, to be loved for who you are, for what you are. So shine bright as you are and don't give so much importance to their opinions and their judgments. Let me tell you one fact. How much ever good you do, they are still going to judge you for no matter. This is the fact. So don't give so much importance to them, guys. The person who really cares for you will never judge you. That person will support you unconditionally. That person will accept you the way you are. That person will love you the way you are. So, guys, don't let the judgments and the opinions of others affect your life. The third thing is limited beliefs in yourself. Don't allow your life to be controlled by your own limited beliefs. I know, I can completely understand that we sometimes underestimate ourselves. We stop believing in ourselves because of few things and few reasons. I know that. But guys, notice your own limited beliefs and tell them to shut up. There is nothing that you cannot do. There is nothing that you cannot have. There is nothing that you cannot become. It's all the game of believing in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you can do anything, and anything is possible. Start believing yourself little more every day and stop comparing yourself from others too. That gives you little more discouragement, you know. You are unique and you are really, really talented. So start believing yourself and start doing the things that you really want to do. And please guys, don't affect your life or yourself, and don't allow your life to be controlled by these three things: your past, people's opinion and judgments, and your own limited beliefs. Find your freedom and live fully. All for today's video guys, and if you liked my video, please do like, subscribe and share my channel, Me in You. Me in You is trying to help the me in you.